Hey friends, welcome back. It is Joy with another painting. This one actually inspired by a camping trip that I took with my cousin last year. This is what I'd like to call my night sky series. Inspired by our camping trip, when I looked up between the trees and saw all the stars, I wanted to attempt to recreate it. And this was my attempt to recreate that memory. I did a few different colors. I'm so tired, man. Been a long day. I got up way too early. But I did a few with different colored skies, purples, pinks, greens, because everybody has a different color that they like. Yeah, I'm happy with how this turned out. This blue one is actually one of my favorites because of, I think, the color palette in general. I am going to stop talking now. I hope you like it. Make sure you do subscribe, click that notification bell, so that way you're notified every time I post a video. I do post every week on Friday. I was posting on Thursday, but I've decided based on my analytics to change it to posting on Friday at 3 p.m. One, it seems to give me a little bit more time, but two, I want to try it out. And I like to try different times to see what works and what doesn't work. So anyway, I post every week at least one long form video, and then I post a bunch of little shorts and things like that, usually about my life, my cat, my dog, things in general, and painting shorts. Anyway, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna stop rambling. I gotta go bed because I'm tired. So have a fabulous day, and I will see you next time.
fight the darkness.